One of the things I love most about sewing is being able to prepare before we actually need something. Today, it's warm outside, but before you know it, the school morning will be colder, football training will move into autumn, and winter won't be far behind. So today, my son and I are making something simple that I know he will be reaching for all season long. One of my favorite parts of sewing isn't only making something. It is choosing what fits the person who will wear it. Since my son plays football, I wanted something that is comfortable, lightweight, and warm enough for those colder training days. That is why today I am using a jersey knit fabric. It has a nice amount of stretch, it is soft against skin, and it is comfortable enough to wear for everyday activities too. If you have never sewn with jersey knit before, don't worry. This is actually one of my favorite beginner-friendly projects because it is simple, forgiving, and a wonderful introduction to sewing stretchy fabric. And although I am making this one for football training, it is just as useful for walking to school, family works, skiing, or even a day in the mountain later in the season. Sometimes the simplest project becomes the one we use the most. For today's project, I am using jersey knit fabric, matching thread, fabric scissors, pins or clips, my sewing machine. I am making this project as simple as possible by using just one piece of fabric. If you would like to make it a reversible letter, you can simply use 2 coordinated jersey knit fabric instead. But today, we are focusing on the simplest version. Today, I am making the teen size because that is the size that fits my son. If you are making one for a younger child or for yourself, you will find all the measurements in the description below. Let's begin. To keep this project simple and easy to make, I have prepared a paper pattern. The great things about this pattern is that it is a simple rectangle. There is no curve to draw, no complicated shapes, just one simple rectangle, which makes it a wonderful project if you are just getting started in sewing. Once you have made the pattern, you can keep it and using it again and again whenever you like to make another neck warmer for yourself or for another member of the family. Today, I am using the teen size for my son. If you would like to make another size, you will find the measurement in the description below. Now, let's cut our fabric. Now, we are ready to sew. Fold the fabric in half with the right side together, matching the short edges. Because we are sewing jersey knit today, I am using a narrow zigzag stitch. This stitch allows the seams to stretch comfortably with the fabric, making it perfect for projects like this. Once everything is aligned up, simply sew along the short edge to create a tube. One seam, and we are already well on our way. Now that we have our tube, we are going to fold in the half with the right side together. Take a moment to match the seam you just stitched with the opposite fold. These small steps help everything line up neatly when you sew the final seam. Now, sew all the way around the opening. Before you reach the end, remember to leave a small opening. We will need it to turn everything right side out. Once it is turned, gently shape the neck warmer with your hands. Then simply close the opening with the top stitch. And just like that, your thermal neck warmer is finished. I really enjoy projects like this because they are made for everyday life. It may be a simple neck warmer, but I already know it will be used on those colder school mornings, during football training, on family works, skiing, and whenever we need a little extra warmth. Preparing ahead like this gives us one less thing to think about when the seasons change. One thing I love most about sewing isn't simply making something. It is preparing for moments we know are coming. Today, we are enjoying summer, but before long, school will begin again. The mornings will feel a little colder. Football training will return, and this simple project will already be waiting, ready to use, ready to keep someone I love a little warmer. Sometimes sewing isn't about making more things. Sometimes it's simply about being ready, one thoughtful project at a time. If you're enjoying our Back to School 2026 series, I would love you to join us when we continue preparing for the new school year, one project at a time. Next time, we will continue building our winter essential with another simple project that's perfect for the colder months ahead. So if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to Mireille Pegu so you don't miss the next episode. I'm Mireille Pegu. Thank you so much for sewing with us today, and I will see you in the next video.